Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. So let's jump straight into it. What we're going to do is go ahead and open up Telegram, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up Hamster Kombat. So I'm just going to jump into the Hamster Kombat app now. So once you have gone ahead and jumped into Hamster Kombat, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the top out at the bottom and press onto friends in the middle of the toolbar. So this is going to take you to the invite friend screen, and what you're going to want to do, come down to the bottom and you can see the copy button here. So if you go ahead and press this, as you can see, it's saying fail to copy text. Now to fix this, there's a couple of things we're going to do, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come and click the three dots in the top right hand corner and just go ahead and reload the page. Once your page has reloaded, what you're going to do is come back into the friends and try again to copy the link to see if that fixes the problem. In my case, this hasn't worked it. It says fail to copy text. So what we're actually going to do now is go ahead and completely close down Telegram, and we're just going to go ahead and reload Telegram and jump back into Hamster Kombat. So here we are back in Hamster Kombat. So what we are again to do is come down to the bottom, press onto friends again, try to copy the link. As you can see, this time it's come up saying text copied. So if you follow these steps in the specific order, this should actually fix this and enable you to use the invite friends link. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.